Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're talking about skincare for beginners. And when I'm talking about skincare, I'm talking about like the face and the neck. So if that's what I'm talking about today. I know I'm more of a body care person, but I just wanted to show you some of the products I've been using for my face in general. I have a video about my body care products that I've been using, so check that video. It's going to be up and in the description. Check out that video so you can get like ideas for the things I've been using on my body to get my skin looking glowy and all that. But today is all about the face. So I want to show you some of the products I've been using. I've noticed a big difference on my face. My face has become a bit brighter. So before, my face used to be dark. Yeah, I'm a dark skin person, but like my face and my neck used to be very dark. And I was like, what's happening? But recently I found out that my face looks better. It's lightening up. I'm not bleaching, but it's trying to like even out with my body, which I love, which I've been praying for since. So I want to show you the products that I've been using to achieve that. And in case you're interested and you're a beginner, you want to get into your face, you want to get into skincare, I'm going to recommend this product. First of all, I have oily skin, and these products are working perfectly for my skin. I've not had any issues and all that. So I'll go straight to the video. Like I said, I'm showing you some of the skincare products I've been using. So if you're a beginner, most of them you're not going to break your bank. You're not going to break the bank, and they are relatively not all that expensive. But we all know that skincare is most of the time is expensive. For you to maintain your skin, you have to be ready to follow up with a good. They have to follow up with your routine. For me, my skincare routines are very. It's my skincare routine is very simple, straight to the point. I don't use a lot of products because I, for one, don't believe in using a lot of products for my skin because I really don't have a bad skin. I really don't have acne. I can have one or two pimples. Okay, when is that time of the month? But on a general, my skin is just okay. I just feel like I have large pores, and it was a bit darker than how it's supposed to be. But using these products now, I find out that my skin is doing well, it's healthy and all that, and I can see the glow and all that. So that's it, guys. Next, so I want to show you the product. So first we go in with cleansers. I want to show you the cleansers I've been using. Okay guys, so for my wash, I've been using this Dang Ageless Mandelic Acid 3-in-1 foaming face wash. This is what it looks like. So this has 5% mandelic acid, malic acid, honey, cucumber extract, and green tea extract. I love this foaming wash. I love the scent because the cucumber scent is very potent, which I like, and it's moisturizing. It's not drying on the skin. It's not drying at all. And for me, someone that has oily skin, foam cleansers are actually good for my skin. So I like this one. I've been using it, and it's fine with me. Like I've not had any issues using this one, and I really like the scent because of the cucumber. Another cleanser I go in with is this NIVEA Perfect and Radiant Evertone 3-in-1 cleanser. You can use it as a wash, a scrub, and a mask. It's for normal to oily skin. This is what it looks like. So this is like a mask, or this is, in fact, this is a clay cleanser. A clay cleanser. So it's perfect for oily skin because it kind of draws out the oils on your face. So like 2 times in a week, or 2 times in a week, most of the time 2 times in a week, I use it on my face, and it has like these beads in it for like a little bit of scrub on your face. So 2 times a week I go in with this, and when I go in with this, I leave it on my face while I have my bath. And when I'm through having my bath, I wash it off, just like so. I use it as a wash, and I leave it there, so it will work like a mask for me. So when I scrub with it, I leave it on my skin, have my bath, and I wash it off. So I've not had any issues with it, and I like it. It just draws out all the oils from my face. So next, once this is what I use any of these products in the shower. So once I come out from the shower, I'm going to tone my face. So I've been using this Good Molecule Niacinamide Brightening Toner. It has niacinamide, it has vitamin C, it has licorice roots, and I've just been loving it. Let me show you how it looks. So wait, first of all, this is how the packaging is. And this is how it looks. So this is a nice brightening toner. So this is a toner. So once I get out from the shower, I use this toner in the morning and at night. So what I do is I don't use a cotton pad. I just like pour it on like 2 drops, like not like 2 drops, but 2 times. I just do 1, 2, and I use it. I rub on my face, then I pat it in into my face. I don't use a cotton, but I just use my hands and do it. And even here, it's even said you can dispense it on a cotton pad, or you can use it on your palms and pat it into your skin. So that's what I've been using. This is what I've been using as a toner. So after going in with the toner, I go in with a vitamin C serum. I go in with a vitamin C serum both in the morning and both at night. I've not had any issues with it. I'm still learning more about skincare, but I'm just showing you exactly what I've been doing that has been working for me. So for my vitamin C serum, I go in with this Dr. Rachel vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum that contains hyaluronic acid. This is what the packaging looks like. I've been using it. So this is it. You can see that it's almost true because I've been using it. So this is what it looks like. I mistakenly, if this fell the other day and got blue, but I've been managing it because I'm almost done with it. So the vitamin C in this face serum is not L-ascorbic acid. I don't know if, since I've been learning about skincare, L-ascorbic acid is like the active vitamin C, and that one is not stable, like it gets bad easily, but it's really potent and it's very, very active. So but this one doesn't have that L-ascorbic. What the vitamin C it has is a vitamin C derivative, and that's I think there's the is the 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. That's what this one have. So if you're just starting with using vitamin C and you don't want to go straight to L-ascorbic acid, because sometimes it can be irritating to the skin depending on the kind of skin you have, you can go with this one. This one has a vitamin C derivative. There are other ones that have vitamin C derivative, but this has been working perfectly for me. Another vitamin C, so if you've used this one and you're not having any irritation, you can go straight to vitamin C's that have L-ascorbic acid. Like I know the Paula's Choice. I'm going to leave the picture of the Paula's Choice. That's pure L-ascorbic acid. You can advance to that. Another one is this the ordinary vitamin C. This is vitamin C acid. This is like 8% and alpha arbutin. I've also been using this one, and for those days I really want to go in with the vitamin C, like the L-ascorbic vitamin C, pure L-ascorbic. I go in with this one. I just got this one. Well, let me show you the package. So this is what it looks like. So this is it. So it just has a dropper. I just use like two to three drops, 2 or 3 drops, and I'm good for the day. I use them morning and night, and I've not had any issues. So that's, like I said, I'm still getting used to or learning more about skincare. I know that people are talking about retinol and so at night, but I'm just taking it one day at a time, and while I'm learning my face and watching what works for me. So after the vitamin C serum, next I go in with a moisturizer. So I have this simple replenishing rich moisturizer, 12-hour moisturization. I use this. I've not had any issues with it. It's just normal. It's moisturizing. I like it. I recently just got this CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion. I know it says here that it's for normal to dry skin, but I know that for my face, I have dry skin, but for my face, I like my T-zones, they are very oily. So I don't, it's lightweight, so it doesn't really matter to me. And this one has ceramides and hyaluronic acid also, and it's oil free and fragrance free. So I just got this one. It's a new one. So I've just been trying it. I like how lightweight it is. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. This also doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I like this one too. So I just got this one and I've started using it, and I like it for now. So I'm just watching my skin, how it works with this one. So that's it. And after the moisturizer, guys, next, very, very important, you need sunscreen. You need sunscreen, whether you're going out, whether you're not going out, you need sunscreen. And sunscreen works better with your vitamin, like it works well with your vitamin C serums, like sunscreen and vitamin C maximum protection. So I have 2 sunscreens here, and I'm almost through with all of them. So this is the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Sun Lotion. This is what it looks like. This is broad spectrum and an SPF of 50. So broad spectrum means it's for both UVA and UVB rays. That's what broad spectrum means. So this is an SPF of 50, which is high, and this one I use it for my face and sometimes for my body. My only problem is also water resistant. My only problem with this is it feels greasy. So anytime I put it on, I feel like my face feels greasy, and I'm already oily. I already have oily skin, so it's like, I mean, my face looks like a grease ball. So sometimes I'll have to go in with like a paper towel to like remove some of the grease. But other than that, it works perfectly well. Another one is this out altruist. Sorry, I'm bad at pronunciation, but I'm going to show you this one. This one is also has an SPF of 50, and it's also broad spectrum. So this I've also been using this one too. And funny enough, both of them don't have any white cast, so they blend in. When you rub them, they blend into your skin and it's clear. So that's the thing I like about them. Obviously, they are not mineral sunscreen; they are called chemical sunscreen. So chemical sunscreens are sunscreens are made with chemicals. They sink into your skin. While mineral sunscreens are made with zinc oxide, they don't really sink in. They act like a barrier to push out the UV rays. But the chemical sunscreen, they kind of absorb it and discharge it out. So that's what it does. So next is so that's why I go in with my sunscreen, and that's what I do for basically during the day. But during at night, I don't go in with the any of the sunscreen. There are other products you can try, guys, but these are the ones I do, like my normal routine, what I do, what I have been maintaining my face. So if you're a beginner at skincare, you don't need to buy all the products immediately. You can start investing on one of them, pick them one after the other, and it work for you. Start picking them one after the other. You pick a moisture, you pick a cleanser that work for you. You pick the vitamin C serum. You can pick a toner. You can pick a moisturizer. Then you go with your lotion and your sunscreen. So moving up forward, you find what works, what doesn't work, and you check and you see how it works for you. So guys, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I really love filming this kind of videos for you guys. So let me know if you want to see like a full morning skincare routine or at night skincare routine. Let me know in the description box. I'll be very happy to film that video. Hope you found this video informative and helpful, guys, and I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to check out all my other videos. Check out my hygiene haul, my body care. Don't forget my shower routine, my papa routine, guys. We're all about looking good and smelling good. Skincare is an investment. It's not luxury, guys. You don't want to get old and find wrinkles and your skin looking ashy and all that. No. We're always going to be looking good. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Like this video, share this video, and I'll see my next video.